Union Home Minister has inaugurated the Bharat Pol portal, which aims to streamline the international cooperation for law investigating agencies. So, what is the need of this portal? There are various fugitive offenders like Nirav Modi and Vijay Mallya who has left India or refused to return to face a criminal prosecution after being issued an arrest warrant. As these people have committed serious crimes in India and fled to different countries, it is very difficult to catch them. To solve this problem, government has launched Bharat Pol portal. It will play a significant role in controlling crimes by connecting investigative agencies and police of all states to the Interpol network of 195 countries. This network will enable cooperation among countries in combating crimes related with drugs, weapons, human trafficking and other cross-border offences. Bharat Pol will have access of database from Interpol, which will be helpful in analyzing crimes, preventing them and apprehending criminals. The 5 key modules of Bharat Pol, that are Connect, Interpol notices, references, broadcast and resources, will provide a technological platform to support our law agencies. Also, a real-time interface will enable seamless and effective communication among agencies to enhance the crime control measures. For years, criminals committing crimes in India and fleeing to other countries have ended the reach of Indian laws. However, with the implementation of modern systems like Interpol, such criminals can now be brought within the ambit of justice.